Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. So today I have some cleaning motivation for you, and as always I hope that it gets you up and going to get some things done around your home. I feel like it's been a minute since I said that. This video was previously recorded and I'm just now getting around to the voiceover and getting it out to you guys. So I hope that you all enjoy. If so, definitely do not leave without giving this video a big thumbs up. I am starting my cleaning off in the evening and then I am just going to finish up the following morning. So I'm starting off in the downstairs area. I really needed to dust down here. I'm going to be doing some dishes as well as passing the steam mop. As always, all of the products that I use throughout this video will be down in that description box, so definitely check there. And before we dive right in, if this is your first time here, then hello. Welcome. My name is Nina and I hope that you enjoyed this video and my energy just enough to click that subscribe button. If you are a returning squad member, then welcome back, squad. Go ahead and click that notification bell before you leave so that you get alerts each and every time I upload. So let's just dive right in, guys.
'Cause I got high hopes. I got high hopes. Do you want the same? 'Cause baby, all I got is high hopes. Do you feel the same? Do you want me, babe? Or is it just a game? 'Cause I got high hopes. Just a game, 'cause I got high hopes.
Aren't you tired of the drama? You use your words like they are knives. I don't need that type of drama and trying to be tough all the damn time. Try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again. You're looking at me so cold. Get over yourself, are you for real? Why are you looking at me so cold? One's love is now we're enemies. You try to make yourself feel better by taking me down. Once I fell, but now I'm strong. I'm ready for the rematch. Shoot me down, don't you know I get up? Yeah, baby, I will fight. No, there ain't nothing stopping me. I'm bulletproof, I won't fall. I'm bulletproof, go on and shoot me down. I will always get up again.
my latest vlog style video, I did share some new home decor over there, and in that video I did share the details of this accent table. Guys, I still love it. The color is beautiful and it does add a nice pop to the space. So if you guys are interested in the details or any of the new home decor items that I picked up, definitely head over and check out that video. I will have it pop up on the screen at the end of this video, and I'll go ahead and link it down in the description box for you.
Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Right, every glimpse of you deserts me. You're all I think about sometimes. But baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard.
Into the kitchen, I am just going to do what I normally do every night. Load the dishwasher and get it started if it's full. And I'm also going to be washing some dishes by hand, and Trinity is going to come in and dry them and get them put away. I don't like to leave dishes on the counter overnight. I just like to go ahead and get those dried and put away. And then I am going to be wiping down the counters, vacuuming, as well as passing the steam mop in here.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one. Love of mine. For me, he just wants me like he's attached to me. So what's standing in our way? Yeah, he's got such power over me, but I try to act cool about it. But what's standing in our way? He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah. He doesn't mind at all. He want my juice like he does whatever what he feels for nobody but himself. No, yeah.
earlier in the day, I did go ahead and strip the bed down so that I can put some fresh linen on. I also went ahead and threw our blankets into the wash. So while everything is drying, I'm just going to make the bed as well as tidy up the bedroom by dusting as well as putting everything into its place. I did want to mention that I am using Lysol on our fresh linen. This is something that you guys have seen me do so many times, but I always get questions about what am I spraying on the bed. It's Lysol. Some people prefer linen spray. I prefer Lysol. To me, they do the same exact thing, just adding an extra layer of freshness. So I think it's based off of preference, but I've been using Lysol for years. So yeah, you guys already know how I feel about it. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. But I did want to mention that because I always get questions.
Should've let him go, oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should've let him go, oh, go, go. I don't know what to do with this. Should've let him go, oh, go, go.
Pick up the phone, I really need to talk with you. Cause if you're not home, I wonder where you slept last night. Are you seeing someone new behind my back? Cause another dude's for a little romance. Pick up the phone, I really need to understand. Never had no trust.
So this is the next morning and I am vacuuming because that's not something that I did the previous evening. So I'm just gonna go ahead, vacuum in the bedroom and then move into the bathroom. I did end up organizing underneath my sink area as well as the drawers and just got rid of things that I was not using and trying to create a better system for myself, because with all of the products, I feel like things can get crazy real quick, and that's what happened. So I just got rid of things that I wasn't using anymore and just trying to create a better system for myself to where it's more functional.
Hesitant, get out my bed if you've been unfaithful. Pack all your things and bury our label. Cause baby, I won't take you back. Yeah, you know my heart don't work like that. Take what I said, throw it like a baseball.
Guys, I did want to mention that I have no idea where these little storage containers came from. Just in case anyone was wondering, I've been having them for so long, and honestly, they are legit on their last leg, so I will be replacing them soon. But I will say they have been so handy when it comes down to storage and organization in drawers. I don't know if you guys remember, but at the last house, I also used these, but again, I've been having them for so long, they are falling apart. So I will be replacing them soon, and I'm kind of sad about it because if I knew where I got them from, I would definitely be trying to repurchase more. So I'm just going to be on the lookout for something similar for sure.
Hesitant. Never had no trust issues, never had to break the rules. Always try to tell the truth, care about what I say. I've been trying to do my best at keeping my promises. Never want to second guess, but when it comes to you, I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling hesitant. I've been feeling.
All Alright guys, so I went ahead and I threw those little containers into the washer to try to get them cleaned up, but like I said, they are definitely on their last leg, and I'm going to get everything put away and wrap the video up here. As always, I hope that you enjoyed. Again, if so, please do not leave without giving this video a big thumbs up, and come back and join me for the next one. Bye guys.